Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to see the four major factors, and the four major factors which is going to start with the five important stocks, and also the five important stocks we can use it for that investment purpose also, and also we can get a reasonable dividend in future. So let's see what are the highlights of the stocks we are having at right moment. Best five stocks for dividend we are considered here, and good return we can get in long term purposes, and the stock is trading near that book value, and also the stock right now it is in the buying zone at as on recording date. So let's see the stock number one. Stock number one, the stock name is SJVN. Currently, the price is trading at near 28.20 rupees, and also the stock can able to generate 7.8 percentage of dividend. So let's see the stock details. The Satyut Jai Vidyut Nijan or SJVN. Sorry for that explanation. I have little a language problem, so that's why I could not able to explain that word. So as of your available or as of your knowledge, you can read that word. Is an Indian government owned company, and that generates and transmits a hydroelectric power. Only 0.71 percentage of trading sessions in the last 11 years, and had an intraday gains of more than 5 percentage. The stock returned 5.47 percentage over 3 years, and compared to 96.4 percentage for the Nifty Mid Cap 100. Over the 3 years period, the stock returned 5.47 percentage, which is a good moment. And whereas the S&P BSE Power provided investors a 75.42 percentage gain, SJVN Limited. So SJVN Limited, founded in 1988, in a mid-cap business in a power sector with a market capitalization of rupees 11,082.2 crore. So the 11,082.2 crore is a very good investment capital. So has declared an equity dividend of 2.2 rupees per share in the last 12 months. So since September 2010, SJVN Limited has issued 19 dividends. This is very important and good growth for that long term investors. So you can consider this stock for the long term purposes. These equities to dividend yield at of 7.8 percentage at the current share price of 28.2 rupees. So the following important fundamentals are shown here. Earnings per share is 4.28 rupees out of 28.28, and profit earning ratio is around 6.59 rupees, and sector P is 22.96. So sector P is very higher than the current profit earning ratio. So the stock can able to generate up to 18 rupees extra from that current PE ratio. So this is also very good earnings expectations, and then current book value per share is 32.55, which is around 4 rupees lower than the current trading price. So right now the best opportunity for the investment, and B profit booking value is 0.87, and face value is also 10 rupees. So whether the stock, if it is gets the splits, then also you can expect the very good return or very good splits from your demat account. So you can easily invest this stock in a SIP method or bulk investment. Before doing the investment, you must to contact your financial advisor, otherwise you have to do your own analysis. So this is stock number one. And then stock number two is Rail Vikas. Rail Vikas is one of the best stock which I have mentioned here. This stock, the currently it's trading at 30.15 rupees, and the dividend yield percentage is also 7.56 percentage. So Rail Vikas Nigam, since September 2019 onwards, it's invented, and Rail Vikas Nikons Limited has issued three dividends. Rail Vikas Nikons Limited has declared an equity dividend of 2.28 rupees per share at last 12 months. This equity to dividend yield is 7.52% at the current share price. So the current share price, as I have mentioned earlier, 30.15. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited is a subsidiary of Indian Railway, Ministry of Railway, Government of India, which is responsible for developing and rail infrastructure for the railways. So you can consider this stock for the every budget announcements and railway related positive news. So this will give you the good return for the short term purposes, and also if you do investment for the long term purpose, you will get a great growth in your future. So as I've mentioned, the earnings per share is 4.8 rupees and profit earning ratio is 6.2 rupees and sector P is 41.7 rupees. So we can expect a very good growth in future, and book value is 26.70 rupees. So current value is little higher than book value, but it is considerable price only, so easily you can invest right now. Profit per book value is 1.14 rupees and face value is 310 rupees. So this is also one of the best stock for the long term purposes. Then the stock number 3 is very much important. The Steel City Securities. Steel City Securities, it's currently traded at around 60.15 rupees, and also the dividend yield is 4.99%. Steel City Securities Limited is stockbroking firm that deals with the regular investors. So the company offers a wide range of financial goods and services, including mutual funds, distributions, fixed incomes, initial public offerings, and corporate debts, as well as security and commodity trading. Steel City Securities Limited, founded in 1995 in a small cap business in the financial services industry with a market cap of 90.11 crore. Stock return minus 15.0% during the last 3 years of period, and compared to 96.41% of the Nifty Small Cap 100 since the March 2017. Steel City Securities Limited has declared 13 dividends. Steel City Securities Limited has issued an equity dividend rupees 3 per share in last 12 months. The equity is dividend yield 5.3% at the current share price of 59.65 rupees. So this is also one of the good stock for the long term investment, and also you can get the better return from this stock. So the profit earning ratio and earnings per share is 7.29 and profit earning ratio is 8.24, and the sectoral P ratio is 57.31, and book value is 63.24, and profit book value is 0.96 and face value is 10. This stock is also one of the good stock for that dividend purpose. And then stock number 4 is Coxie Imaging. Coxie Imaging is currently trading at around 50.50 rupees, and also the dividend yield is 4.95%. Coxie Imaging Limited is founded in 1992. It is a small cap company in the miscellaneous categories with a market capitalization of 19.60 crores. Since the last 5 years, the company has no debt. So this is the one of the good shine of the stock. And photographic items are offered by Coxie Imaging Limited. X-ray films, chemicals, and accessories, as well the ultrasound and color Doppler. All are available from the company. Coxie Imaging Limited, founded in 1992 in a small cap company with the market capitalization of 96 crores, as we have discussed earlier with that same data, and photographic items offered as below have mentioned. So the earnings per ratio is 3.99% rupees, and profit earning ratio is 12.66 rupees. Sectoral P is 26.48. Book value is 44.69, and profit book value is 1.14 and face value is 3. So this stock will definitely will hit a very good return in future in a long term purposes. and also you can invest this stock for that dividend purpose. So you will get the reasonable dividend in from this stock. The last and final stock is Goti Plascon. This stock is currently trading at around 26 rupees, and the stock is doing the dividend yield is around 3.85 percentage. So Gauti Plascon sales have decreases by 6.41% for the first time in last 3 years. The company revenue has decreased. Gauti Plascon Limited, founded in 1994, is a small cap company in the plastic industry with the market capitalization of 25.30 crores. Since from the March 26 to 2020, Gauti Plascon Limited has declared two dividends. It has issued an equity dividend rupees of 1 rupees per share. In last 12 months, the equity to dividend yield of 4.03 percentage at the current share price of 24.8 rupees. So this stock we can consider as a fifth stock for the long term investment purpose. The earnings per share value is 1.69 rupees out of 24, and profit earning ratio is 14.85. Then sector P is 37.86. This is the good sign of this stock. So we have remaining around 13.5 percentage of the growth. Book value is around 11.44, and BP value is 2.20, and face value is 3. These 5 stocks will give you the great return in future for the long term investment purpose, and also simultaneously you can get a good dividends from those stocks. And what are the stocks we have decided here? These all are only for the educational purpose, not for the investment. So before investing in the stocks, you must to get a advice from your financial advisor. Otherwise you have to take your own decisions before your investment. So thank you for watching my channel, and if it is useful for you, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends for your financial growth.